If you're looking for a book that is a really quick read, try The Cat in the Moon by Kai Tsukimi. These 33 Zen stories is designed to really calm the mind, relieve stress, and just to kind of slow down your life. What I found really great about this book is that there is a free gift for readers, and this kit actually includes a Zen morning ritual guide, a 5-minute audio meditation, and Zen minimalist wallpapers. All you have to do is just scan the QR code and you get your free downloaded gift. As a fellow author myself, I really enjoyed how beautifully written this book was. It has 33 short stories. This book revolves around a black cat, which to me symbolizes peacefulness, tranquility, and just taking it slow one day at a time. I bring this book with me to work and I read during the lunch hour, and it really does calm my mind. It puts me in a better mood. And I do read this book too before I go to bed, and it does help me sleep. I find that I struggle with anxiety as well, and this book does help me get through just day to day mindfulness. Overall, a really good read. It is quick, it is easy, and I would highly recommend this for anyone who is looking for just another book to support their day to day meditation and just finding peace and calmness in the mind.